Ailey Reisman is going home with 2 gold medals. Just like teammate Gabby Douglas, the U.S. captain won the title on floor exercise Tuesday, August 7, about an hour after getting a bronze on balance beam. Add in her gold with the Fierce 5, and she leaves London with 3 medals, most of any of the Americans. It's the first Olympic gold on floor exercise for a U.S. woman. Catalina Ponor of Romania won the silver, and Alia Mustafina of Russia got the bronze. World champion Jordan Weber was 7th. The pre-Olympic favorite failed to win any individual medals.